y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl C, and I'm back with another video. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how I ombre my hair. This was unexpected, so yeah, I'm starting off with the Got To Be spray. I'm spraying it on the lace to protect it from the color, and just so that it doesn't change into pink. I'm gonna be using the spray and the gel. I waited for the spray to be completely dry, then applied the gel. I have never tried it with the clear one, but I have tried it with the white. I don't know if the results are different with the clear, but I'm going to try it one day. But for this video, I'm using the white. I'm using the application brush, the one you usually use to bleach your hair. You can find this at your beauty supply store. I believe I only paid $1. And I'm just going to be well, I was wiping it on. I wasn't really tapping, but yeah. I just let that air dry before I started the watercolor method. I did place it on my heater. I didn't use a blow dryer or anything, but you guys can use a blow dryer if you want it to dry quicker. So originally I wanted an ombre red color. I wanted a bright red in the root and a dark red in the tips of the hair, but as I was going along it was pink, so I had to change it. So I started off with crimson and raging red, and as I dipped the hair in I realized it was pink. Again, I never measured the amount of color that I put in the warm water, so I just poured and eyeballed it. I went ahead and added the Raging Red and Rich Amber to the mixture. Since I wanted the ends to be darker, I just kept on dipping the ends in the water. As the water got lighter, I dipped it closer to the lace, if that makes any sense. As I told you guys, I decided on the pink last minute. When I seen it, I'm like, oh, this looks good. And I just kept it like that. But really, I was really going for a light red. But I'm just going to keep dipping the hair in the water. See, as it's getting lighter, I'm dipping the lace in as well. I repeated the same steps. As the color from before faded, I added more. This is pretty much it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. See you in my next video. Mwah.